I just saw this awesome Aura 3D immersive sound experience.
And I just saw the smallest speakers worth 69 lakh rupees.
All that and a whole lot more this week on Bite Me as we're at the What Hi-Fi Show 2014.
So let's get started.
Bite Me. Well, rather than starting off with a traditional home theater, we thought we'd do something a little different. How about the ability to stream music from a centralized console to any room in your house? That is what Bluesound is all about, and we have Ashish who's going to walk us through this demo.
Hi, I'm Ashish from Lakosi. Today I'm going to introduce you to Bluesound. Now Bluesound is basically our network streaming based distribution audio system. Now this is what you see here is a power node. What it does is it's a streaming player with built-in amplification. So I'm trying to showcase you a zone here in which I'm playing an audio and everything can be controlled through an iPad. Sitting anywhere in your house, you can control the music and the volume through your iPad. So if you take a look here, this is my zone and I am playing music, and once I increase the volume, you see the price point for this product is 65,000 rupees. Come, I'll take you to another zone wherein this is a mock-up dining area which we have created, in which there is another Bluesound product which is called Node, which is connected, and we have created another zone through that. So I've just selected that zone on my iPad, and now I'll increase the volume. You see this zone has got active. I started playing music on this. Now I'll take you a third zone. This is a mock-up living room cum study in which there is a proper 2-channel system, and this is a separate zone in which there is a system playing. The extension is also there in the washroom, in which I've got a product called Bluesound Pulse. I'm able to play different music, or I could also play the same music which is playing in any other zone into this. Now this is what Bluesound is, and the best part about this product is it is very user friendly. If you insert a pen drive into one of the players, they can access that music in any other zone also. Plus, Bluesound also comes across with a vault in which it has a built-in CD ripper. So if you insert your CD inside the vault, it has a built-in 1 terabyte storage, and it rips your music inside the vault, and which is made available across all the other zones in your house. So the Bluesound can be added to almost 32 zones in a house, and it is available. The app which controls the Bluesound systems is available on both iPhone and iPlatform and Android platform. Welcome to Bluesound.